Hello and welcome to English Time YouTube channel. Today we will learn 13 easy and useful Urdu to English sentences. So without wasting your important time, let's get started. Number 1. Chalo utho. Come on, wake up. Come on, wake up. कैसे लग रहा है? How do you feel? How do you feel? कौन हो सकता है? Who could it be? Who could it be? क्या वक्त हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? इसका मैं क्या करूं? What do I do with it? What do I do with it? What do I do with it? तुम किसी काम के नहीं हो. You are of no use. You are of no use. मेरा मन नहीं था. I was not in the mood. I was not in the mood. घर जैसा लगता है. I feel at home. I feel at home. जिद मत करो. Don't insist. Don't insist. क्या बकवास है? What nonsense. What nonsense. मैं मजबूर हूँ. I am helpless. I am helpless. तुझे क्या हुआ? What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you? काश मैं पास हो जाऊँ. Would that I pass. Would that I pass. So thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Allah Hafiz.